So here we are, back out in the field. So we're testing the Pro Hunter 17.8 grains. So we've got plinker paddles set out there at 222 yards. That was yesterday, so I may have sort of taken off a couple of yards, but I'm going to, because I was already set up from yesterday, I'll crack one off and see where we are. Sorry about the it's back out of there a little bit, so we can get a bit of a picture. Yeah, it's a lot of mirage going on out there, but we'll see how we fare. So from right to left, second paddle in. Oh, that was very, very close. Oh, okay, so we hit the oh, that's such a pants picture. Yeah, so I hit the one to the side of it, to the right hand side of it. So I've got 1 minute push out there. Oh, just in front. Ah, it's such a pants picture. I'll stop that and see if I can get a better picture. There you go, a little bit better, but I say there's a lot of heat haze going on out there. Oh, touch the camera. Do I touch it, knock it? Yeah, I did, didn't I? Yeah, there we go. Right, leave well alone. So, okay, so same point of aim. Okay, so we're saying got 9 mile an hour southeasterly. So 9.2 gusting southeasterly, constant 8. So we'll try that again. So second paddle in. Didn't see. Gosh, just in front. So I've got no wind flags out there or anything, so just kind of trying to use the environment as best I can through the the haze. Whee! That's one, and it stayed up. Very cool. Right, 222 yards on a flappy paddle. So I'll try the next one. Now, if I move that one slightly. It's all good for cants and everything. Oh, well, that's one up anyway. That's cool. I got one yesterday, but my SD card ran out. Oh, dropped low and right. Looking at the heat haze, it looks like it's slightly switched on me. Because it was supposed to be west by southwest. Or just in front. Okay, let's see if I can put a hold for that. So these are Pro Hunter 17.8 grain. Oh, that dropped really low. I've just filled up, so my reg has a tendency to play monkeys. Drop low again. Okay, so that's being consistent, so I'll just put that adjustment on the turret rather than the Moab system. Put 2 MOA on the Moab. I think we're just getting slightly knocked down out there. No. Okay, right, well, I'm going to have a coffee break, but that's one flappy paddle up. Way cool. All the way over here. Very nice. So Pro Hunter 17.8 grain.